Hey, welcome to our first tutorial at Haunting the World. This one's going to be a quick and easy one. I had, as the caption on the TikTok says, an accident with a K-cup where it exploded, and rather than getting rid of it, I grabbed some of my favorite watercolor stock that I use typically for watercolor pencils, and did a quick coffee dye. So here's how you do it. You want a mix of coffee, mostly the grinds, drain them out if you need to, and put new water in. Then chop up or keep your watercolor paper whole, totally up to you. And then you can dip it in a variety of ways. You can just do the outside edges, you can flip it over, you can soak it a long time, you can brush in the grinds with a brush, you can do one side, you can do both sides, a quick dip, a long rinse, all kinds of options. And one of my favorites to do, tear up the edges because it really starts to soak in on the sides as well, and it saves you from having to burnish or burn the paper later for the effect. Like I said, rub it in with a brush, do whatever you need to. You can also scrape some of the excess off with a brush before you let it dry. I use towels for drying everything, but before we dry, I want to get more of those grinds off. So I refill the container with clean water and just dip the paper back in, rinse it out. It's not going to pull out a lot of the dye after I've been soaked in. While it's drying, make sure you flip the paper so it doesn't get too warped or bent. If it dries too quickly on one side, the paper is going to be permanently curved. And here's the finished result. So on the torn edge one, when it's dry, you can start just brushing off the coffee grinds, but you can see it on the edges. This is the one where we left the center bright white. It's super clean on one side, messy on the other, totally up to you. This was a one-side dip that's great for like the cover of a card. The little torn edges I use in like scrapbooking or mixed media projects. Use ink, paint, marker, whatever you want for the finished product.